Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide the details regarding the histogram equalization image. So previously if you would have followed the channel means you can see we have made a demo for how to read the image, how to show that, how to find the size of the image, how to visualize the histogram of the image, how to resize the image, how to convert the RGB image to gray, etc. So now we are going to see how to view the histogram equalization of an image. For that, I'm using here itself for every single image we can take. For image, it can name as image height, like visualization. Then I'm just calling the camera tip image and just I'm evaluating. So this is the histogram of the image. Now we can see the histogram equalization of the same image. For that I'm just using the IMShow function to visualize the histogram equalization of this image, its height. Now we can just run this code. You can see this is the histogram equalization image. If we are running the whole image, you can just see the difference. Original image, then histogram equalized image, then the histogram of that image. You can see the difference. So like that we can see for every images. I'm just giving some other name like 1 and calling that here, and here I'm just calling the resized image. Here there will be no big difference since it's just an resized image of that cameraman tip image. So as I said, there was not big difference. Now we can move to the peppers.png image. I'm just running all that. You can see the difference between the histogram equalized image and the original image. Some color variations are there from the original image and the histogram equalized image. So we can see for the final RGB converted image. For that I'm just giving some other name. Here it's coming like shift enter, so that you can give, if you are giving shift enter means what it will happen means here also the name change, but we don't want to change the names here. We have to change only over here. So if you want to change all the names means please give shift enter or else do it manually. Okay, now we can run this session. So now we can see the difference between the original image and the histogram equalized image. Thank you. In the next video, we can see another basic image processing tutorial. Thank you.